So today we are having our ENABLE Business Forum and Expo. So we have a host of exciting panel discussions. We have an expo where we have several of our vendors who are actually participants of our Entrepreneurs with Disabilities program. And we also have businesses that offer assistive technology and other services and products that can benefit persons with disabilities.
SBDC Business Forum and Expo was so amazing.
It's an indescribable feeling to see so many of our entrepreneurs with disabilities feel empowered, to see that they're noticed and that they're loved and they're cared for. I see how it moves them.
I think it gave us the opportunity to look at ourselves and look at where the gaps are in terms of not just employment for persons with disability, but the fact is entrepreneurship for persons with disability.
One thing that I learned throughout the whole program is that we all need help, and that every information, every tool, every person that you meet can help you in your business. So whether you're starting from the beginning, or whether you're in the middle, or whether you're at the end process, every step is necessary. You can't run through a process.
It is important that you understand that you, just the way you are, a wheelchair user, wearing glasses, wearing a hearing aid, hard of hearing, deaf, blind, autism, Down syndrome, neurodiverse, you are exactly what we're looking for. You're exactly what we need. And we hope to see you because SBDC is not counting you out.
For more information about how the SBDC can help your small business to make a big impact, give us a call at 461-7232 or visit sbdcbahamas.com.